What have we here? Why, it's a 1981 Clenet. All original. It's like a cranberry and black. I live in the wine country, and this car is just perfect for the wine country. I've owned this car for about 6 years now. Have enjoyed it, done a little fixing here and there, but fell in love with these cars in the 80s, but never could afford it. Now that I'm older, I bought one, enjoyed it, and now I'm ready to move it on to a new person, somebody new, somebody who can appreciate it. It's quite big. As you saw, it had the Continental spare on the back, which is an extra, a real nice extra, because it gives it more of a look. The front end is really long. The high quality build is unbelievable. Unbelievable. The way the doors close, the way the rubbers fit, insulation. It's got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Drives like a dream. And what I love about it most of all is, I don't know if you can check this out, but pressing on the car, it's got a beautiful, soft, spongy suspension, which means when you're driving it down the road, it feels like a Cadillac. Just maneuvering over all the bumps, absorbing all the bumps. Original paint, original chrome, but they did chrome right in those days because it lasts for a long time. Everything's original on it. Original interior. Interior door panels and dashboard is like brand new. Yep. Of all sides. The wire wheels, you know, they need to be cleaned. I've cleaned them. They don't really have, you know, if it's moist out, it gets a little bit of surface rust. That's about it. I just polish it off, no problem. But the wire wheels are in beautiful shape. Original hubcaps. Let's take a look at the interior. Original moldings, number 29 at a 250. Here's your door panels. Here, door panels, the etched glass in the front and the rear. Back seat, beautiful convertible top, black, very good condition. No rips, tears. Dashboard. Look at all that wood in there. There's just one crack in this door panel here. A crack. Right here in the wood. Yeah. Beautiful dashboard. Crystal ashtray. Even have your manuals with a leather pouch to hold your manual. Seats are in very good condition, just slightly faded through the years. Don't forget, it's a 40-year-old car by the sun, but still very good condition. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat, you know, where you get in and out, but not that bad at all. No rips, no tears. Steering wheel, usually those steering wheels are shot. This is like brand new. So you can tell who drove the car. You know, guys with light hands, not a heavy-handed individual. That's why I bought it. Yep. So there you have the interior. All your glass windows are electric. They all work. Let me come around here and have you take a look at the engine. How you get to the engine is very, very nice. All metal hood. It's got two latches in here. It's got a light, good light, not a cheap AutoZone light. That's a light. Shock absorbers holding the hood up. There's your 351. I'm not sure whether it's a Windsor or a Cleveland, but it's a 351 Ford engine. Okay, and then let me start it up for you. Let me start it up. Okay. Put the key in. Oh, okay. Now, very smooth engine. Very quiet, silky. A real silky engine. I don't have any problems with this engine. I think I would put electronic ignition in, I'm pretty sure. I'm not totally sure. But I put electronic ignition in, I believe, and a new carburetor. New mufflers. Lights work, blinkers, all that good stuff. And that's about it. These cars sold for 80 plus in the 80s. And that would be like 160 now. But these cars for some reason haven't appreciated that much. That's why I'm asking $40,000 for this car. There's no way you could build anything like this or even close to this for that price. Well, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the car.